Okay, so without further ado, let's take you guys to downtown Albuquerque. All right, here's a quick glimpse at a little section here. I'm on the corner of Romero Street and Church Street. Got the Christmas shop right here. Got the Nami over there, Carson over there chilling with the lights on. We got the entrance. We got somebody driving by. So far, we got 3.5 under the table. You can see the Garmin and the Nami are both on the same page, simply for the fact that I have been riding really slow. When I ride slow, the Garmin and the Nami's odometers read pretty much exactly the same, even though Hey, just so y'all know, GoPro just took an L. My Hero 11 Black has a cracked screen already. And ask me how that happened. I had it in the pouch with the DJI, and I pulled it out the pocket, out of the pouch, and boom, the freaking camera's damaged. The back screen. It still works, but I'll show you guys in a little bit. But anyways, this Tricentennial Park, 1706 to 2006. I guess you guys are gonna get to see how good each camera is. This is pretty low light. I'm in the well-lit area and they are facing a dark area from a well-lit area. Yo, we had to cut that shit short. It was brick outside, mad brick. I was like, yo. We turned around after 8 miles, man. I couldn't do it, y'all. I still had another 7.2 miles to get to the special location that I want to show you guys. So here's tomorrow. So, can you guys still hear me? At over 50 miles an hour. I'm talking loud, but I wonder if you guys can hear me. Now we're down to 40 miles an hour, down to 35, down to 30. What's up? Where am I? Anybody know where I'm at? Guess whose house that is? Hey, serious question. Y'all ready? How much effort do you give? Keep it 100. How much? Do you give enough? All right, I'll take your word for it. You guys put how much effort you put below in the comments yet? I need that. And no, I did not press the fast forward button. Okay, so I'm in the hotel right now. The bright ass sunlight behind me in the window, And let's just say you're vlogging or you're using this camera where you're trying to record somebody and they got a bright window behind them. Who's doing this better right now? Who's doing this better? We're getting closer to the light source. I could tell you right now, I see myself in the Hero 11's screen, but I can't see myself very well in the Action 3. Are we gonna just pan it to the left? All right. I thought she was going up and get it. You gotta wait. It's like choked down. You gotta wait for it. You gotta wait. All that. Yeah, I did. You want it? That was me when I first started riding. Honestly.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I'm here to tell you, brick outside. It's like 20. It's like 26 degrees Fahrenheit. Anyways, so that's how they look side by side from each other. That's how they sound side by side from each other. Which one you rocking with? Don't worry about who I'm rocking with. I'm rocking with somebody. Maybe I could just rock with both because they both have their good use cases, you know. Anyways, stick around, y'all. Next video, I'm gonna go through a whole lot of pros and cons with the two cameras that I ain't seen nobody talk about yet. Well, wait. They talked about a lot of things I'm gonna talk about, but I'm gonna go into details. I'm gonna do it the old Jay on the Segway way, where people be like, damn, I ain't even think about that. I got that for you. So anyways, if you like the video, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. I tried to make it as short as possible. I have this habit of over informating everything. So you know, I just want you guys to know everything, man. I try not to miss things. So detail is everything in life, you know what I mean? Anyways, appreciate you for watching. I'm sledgehammering this video from a homie that always says sledgehammer that video. Thanks for y'all support, everybody. And yeah, stick around. That next video is coming. Peace. Wait. Instead of saying peace, I'm gonna say 100. All right, we're done. Wait, real quick. Don't you want to know who had more battery life left? I almost forgot. Let me show you. The Action 3, 42%. The GoPro, 41%. See that? 41% GoPro, 42% Action 3. Interesting, isn't it?